Hello everyone, we are back with another episode of my behind the scenes series. Today I am going to show you one of my favorite experiments, dropping a realistic apple on icon. The main goal here isn't just to drop it, but to make the whole movement look super smooth and satisfying. I've got some simple tricks for a cinematic feel. So let's get right in the project. Alright, I've got the Apple model ready to go. Now let's go ahead and add a cone and a disc for the floor. Now let's add collider tags to the disc and the cone. Then we'll apply a soft body tag to the apple. Taking a look at the mesh. As you can see, the mesh on this apple is actually pretty dense. Let's try to play back the animation. As we can see, it looks pretty bad and totally unnatural. This is all happening because the apple mesh is just way too complex for this. Let's fix it right away. Let's create a sphere and make it editable. Now, let's tweak the sphere shape so it matches the apple as closely as possible. Now let's add a Mesh Deformer to the apple. Go to the Object tab and drag our sphere into the cage field. Then simply hit the Initialize button. Next, apply the soft body tag to the sphere and turn off its visibility. Now look at that, our apple is bouncing perfectly, just like a ball. But wait, we've got a teeny geometry artifact right here. No worries, let's fix that really quick. And there we go, it's perfect now. Using this technique you can get beautiful simulation with basically and high poly object or complex geometry. By tweaking the soft body parameters of the sphere, you can make the apple look much more softer or even more elastic. Alright guys, that's it for today's breakdown. I'm really glad you watched it until the end. I appreciate your support so much. I truly hope this how-to tutorial will be useful for your own 3D projects and will help you get those smooth simulations. If you enjoyed the video, please smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our community. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or that I should show you next. Thanks for being here and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.